only just started of the state of the DDR5 memory market right now, with pricing of memory kits still being insane, and we're constantly being threatened with the fact that it's going to get even worse. Well, don't worry, because while memory manufacturers are already struggling to create enough DDR5, they are also already looking to the future and DDR6, which big companies like Samsung, Micron, or SK Hynix have recently began working on. Even though the full spec sheet for DDR6 isn't even fully complete yet, we do already have some ideas of what exactly it could look like, and they are promising pretty big improvements in performance. I mean, we could be expecting speeds of around 8,800 megatransfers per second on the lower end, all the way up to 17,600 megatransfers per second, and maybe even beyond that after that. That is obviously a pretty big jump, even when compared to the most high-end DDR5 kits currently available on the market, or rather, not available on the market. Naturally, a lot goes into achieving those kind of speeds, and one of the ways that they'll be doing that is by switching from having dual 32-bit channels to having 4 24-bit channels instead. And as you can imagine, plenty of additional pins will be coming to actually carry all the data as well. Add to that things like better power efficiency, improved ECC, and plenty more, and it's looking to be a pretty good overall improvement, though it also gets to a point where our regular DIMM form factor can start to get in the way and become a bottleneck in itself. So it looks like Cam 2, which we've been teased for so many years now, could finally actually become a reality. Not only would it provide a great improvement when it comes to overall performance, but also it's a lot more compact as well. And a nice consequence of that should be that ultra compact devices, which usually have solid memory, could switch to upgradable Cam 2 instead because of how low profile it is, greatly reducing waste and allowing you to boost your existing devices by just upgrading the RAM if it's starting to slow down a bit. Of course, that leads to other complications like how to keep this kind of memory cool, but we have already seen at shows like Computex what companies have in mind in terms of Cam 2 cooling, with a plethora of weird and wacky designs. Now don't worry, you don't have to start saving up thousands for your kit of DDR6 just yet, given how we still have some time. Odds are it's going to be launching sometime in 2028 or 2029, making it a rather long cycle when compared to previous memory generations, though it also gives the AI bubble plenty of time to burst and hopefully prices to return to normal before then. So I want to hear your expectations for DDR6 down in the comments below, and why I added. Maybe you should check out our Patreon, because even a $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Lavroniak, Balash Vokan, Pseudonym, Max Sunshine, Allcraft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.